Hello, I'm CG Yan. This is a quick video to show how to fade the edges of image of layer in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder. We can drag and drop an image into Photoshop to open the image. Now we can go to Layers window and double-click the background layer, and we can create a new layer. So we have the layer. Next, we can make a selection. We can use Lasso tool or Macquarie tool. I will use Macquarie tool and click and drag to make a selection, something like this. I move it here. And then we can select the layer and go to bottom of layers window. We can add the layer mask. So we can mask it and then make sure that we select the mask and go to window and show properties window. We can find fader here and then we can adjust it. I want to make it obvious, so I add the background color fill, so we can go to add solid color. I put it under the image. So this is how we can fade the edges of layer in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will share with you. I'm CG Yan. See you in the next video.